Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials and signing in where Google expects you. Use a familiar device and your usual Wi-Fi. This reduces security flags. Once signed in, check recovery phone and recovery email are correct and make any quick updates. Make sure two-step verification is either accessible or temporarily disabled only if you control both factors, because Google will cross-check recent activity and devices. This is why device consistency matters. Now proceed through the official account recovery flow methodically. You will answer precise questions, give exact details, last password, creation month and year, common contacts you emailed. Accuracy increases success odds. If prompted to submit a photo ID, photograph it clearly and upload from the same device you used to attempt recovery. Once done, review the summary before submitting. Inconsistent answers often trigger another hold, so pause and correct any uncertainty. Once Google grants access, immediately set a new strong password and reconfigure two-step verification on devices you control. Then audit security. Check recent activity, revoke unknown sessions, and remove third-party app access. These steps stop repeat blocks. If Google still flags the account, submit an ID appeal with the same device and network, or wait 24 to 72 hours for automated review. Patience matters. Troubleshooting tip. If recovery fails,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.